everyone. Today my teen is going to show you what she is packing for a 4-night vacation.
So these are my dinner dresses for while we're on vacation. I have 2 cardigans laid out with them, but I don't actually plan on wearing both cardigans. This is just in case I get this one dirty. I also have one under here. It doesn't need a cardigan because it's long sleeve. Over here I have my swimwear. I have a swim shirt, a swim skirt, and some swim shorts in there. I've got a long sleeve swim shirt for whenever we're hiking. These are some goggles that we got at Walmart. We got this tankini and this skirt at Kohl's. They work very well. And we got this at Walmart. It's super cute and it goes with most of my swimwear. It has a hood because sun, but it's super lightweight, super cute. Over here I have my tennis shoes.
Speaking of hood.
Oh yeah, I also have my hoodie right here. Oh, I'm still holding the goggles. I have my hoodie right here, and I know you can't tell it's a hoodie right now because it's folded, but that's a hoodie. These are my dressy sandals to wear out to dinner and stuff. These are my tennis shoes for wearing hiking, and I'm probably gonna wear my my sports sandals on the way there. These are my t-shirts. I've got 2 red ones, a Stitch one because I know I'm a teenager, but I love Stitch still. I have a cute butterfly one. The butterflies and tree make a heart, and then I've got this one with the heart and all the paint splatters. I thought that looked interesting. This is my personal items bag, my undergarments and stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. These are my leggings, shorts. I have one for each outfit. And then I brought these pajamas. It's a pants set that we got from Walmart. They work really well. And we actually got this at Aldi's. I didn't know Aldi's sold clothes, but it's like super soft and it's kind of heavyweight, but hotel rooms will sometimes be colder in the summer. So I'm gonna bring that just in case. And then I've got 5 skirts here, 1 for each day, and then 1 extra. And that's about it.
These are from...
Oh, these are from Amazon. There will be an affiliate in the link below. This one actually works really well for hiking.
So that's what our teen is packing, and somehow she takes less time to talk on these vlogs than I do, but that's all she's planning in different outfits, and she has picked out several of these pieces herself. I did help a little bit of just like number of things, like when she would ask of like numbers of things that she would need, but mostly she just picked out herself. So that's what she's packing for a 4-night stay. If you haven't watched the other videos yet, we're going to the Smokies for 4 nights, so that's basically what she's taking for like a Smokies vacation, including some pool time. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.